Hi everyone, Unknown Unboxers coming to you with the Google Home Mini Smart Home Speaker. It's a very small and compact device that is powered and packed with features. And I'll talk to you more about it. Let me first unbox it really quick. Take this apart. All right. So what can you do with this device? You can connect it to your thermostat on Nest. You can connect it to your Bluetooth enabled lights with Philips Hue as an example. You can cast the videos from YouTube onto your TV, so you can connect to your Chromecast. You can browse your photos on the Google Photos account. You can listen to some music through Spotify, watch some videos on Netflix, so on and so forth. There's so many other things that you can do. I'm extremely excited to show how this small but mighty device can do for you, right? What are the things that you can do? You can ask the assistant, the Google digital assistant is built in on the speaker. So you can ask questions like, where's the nearest flower store? What's the weather look like? How is your commute look like? And you can also integrate with your phone and call somebody straight from the speaker. How awesome is that? Let's jump in and take a look what's inside. Open this up. A really small, compact speaker right here. There's a mute button. There's a power cord, the USB-B. This one for mute. Look at how small and compact it is. Let me open more stuff up. There's the box in here. The packaging is getting pretty standard regardless of who's actually showing it, be it Apple or Google. There's a little starter guide. There's some terms and conditions in here. There's more information that you would like to know. There's a little charging cable with the power outlet on the USB-B. And this is pretty long. I want to say it's about 2 meters long. So you should be able to get it from any wall outlet onto the speaker. In fact, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box. All you have to do now is to connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then start exploring the speaker. Thank you for watching. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe, and give us more suggestions and comments on what other products you'd like us to show.